Good morning, kids, and welcome back to your math class. Today we will solve our math worksheet. I hope so you all completed the worksheets which we have solved in before classes, in our previous classes, before classes, so that today we will comparing and ordering, we will solve the worksheet, so that yesterday in our class we have solved the 3-digit numbers, how to form the 3-digit numbers. You have learned when you will add the 1 to a 2-digit greatest number, so you get the 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number. So now comparing and ordering. To compare two or more numbers, first look at the 100 place. You have learned 100 place value, place of 100, tens place and ones place. So now you whenever you will compare the numbers, comparing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಲ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಬೋತ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ places of 100, tens and ones? First you need to compare the place of 100, then 10 and then 100. So now here to compare two or more numbers, first look at the 100 place. I have told you first you have to look after the 100 place and then you are going to take a tens place. Then last you are going to check the place value or compare the place value of ones, so that 3-digit numbers are always greater than the 2-digit numbers. If you have understood the yesterday, when you will add 1 to a smallest number of a 2-digit, you will get a 100. That is nothing but the greatest 3-digit number. So now whenever you will know the number of 2-digit, always you remember the 3-digit number are greater than 2-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers are always greater than 2-digit numbers. Now we will solve some examples. What we will do? We will solve some examples. Examples 373 and 281. 373 and 281. These two are 3-digit numbers. Why it is called 3-digit numbers? Look at this. This number has numbers 3, 1 in ones place, tens place and also 100 place. These digits number has 3 digits, so it is called 3-digit number. Compare in hundreds place as the digits are different. Now look at this. This here 100 place 3 is there, and in this number at 100 place 2 it is there. So compare first which is the 100 place and 100 place of a first number and 100 place of a second number. Now here is 3 and 2. Which is greater or which is bigger? Here in this 300s are here and in this number 200s are here. So read as 373. 373 is greater than 281. 281. Now I have told you how you will use the signs. Which side the mouth of this sign is open, big, open or big, that side you are going to mark it as a greater side. So when the crocodile mouth is open, you remember as it, the crocodile mouth is open, so it catches the big fish. So it catches the big fish. It means here big fish means big number. Is it clear? Okay. Now 372 and 382, compare digits in this tens place as the digit in hundreds place. Now places are same. First year 100 places were different, but in these two numbers 100 places are same. Then what you are going to compare? Tens place. Then you are going to compare of 10 place value of 10. Now here is 7. 7 tens, 8 tens. Which will be the greater? 10. 8. 8 tens will be the greater. It means 80. Read it as a 372 is less than 382. 372 is less than 382. Compare the digits in the ones place as the digits in the hundred and tens place are same. Now first we have studied about comparing the places of 100. When the hundreds are different, that time first you will compare to the 100. But when the 100 place, both numbers 100 place are same, then what you are going to compare? Tens place. Both the tens place you will going to compare. But when you have the tens place same, that time you are going to compare to the ones place. You are going to compare to the ones place. When you are going to compare to the ones place, then 348, 342 numbers are here. Now here 100 place is same, tens place is same. Now you compare ones place. 8 ones and 2 ones. 8 is bigger than 2. Yes or no? 8. So now 348 is bigger number. You have to use. Now look at it. Do. Write numbers in the boxes. Write numbers in the boxes. Insert bigger or smaller sign. Insert bigger or smaller sign. Look at here. They have done one. This is of 100. This is of tens and these are of ones. Same in. How many hundreds are here? 2. 2 hundreds. Okay. 10 is 1. 1, 2, 3. 3. 213 it is. Now here hundreds are 2. Tens are 2. And ones are 6. Yes or no? Now compare both. Compare the numbers. Now it is 213, 226. 200. Both 100 places are same. Now compare tens place. Here are 1 10 and here is 2 tens. So which will be the bigger one? 2 tens. So this is the bigger number. Now you understood how to compare? Yes kids. Now second question. Count this. How many hundreds are here? 100. How many tens are here? 3 tens. How many ones are here? Only 1 1. Now same. How many tens are here? No, sorry, hundreds are here? 2 hundreds. How many tens are here? 2 hundreds. How many ones are here? 2 ones. So first compare 100 place. Here is 1, here is 2. Which will be the greater? 1 or 2? 2. 2 is the greater. So this number is greater. Now next one. Count how many hundreds are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 hundreds and 1 10. Ones are 0. Now here. How many hundreds are here? 2 hundreds. 2 tens. Only one is the number. Now compare the place of 100. In 100 place here is 3 and here is 2. 300, 200. Which is greater? 300 is greater. Okay. Now we go to the next. Using the number line, compare the given numbers, filling in the blanks. Now 107 and 115. Which is greater and which is smaller, you have to compare. 117, here it is. Here too 115, here it is. 117, no, sorry, 107. Sorry. You know the number 117 and 115. First to compare 100 place. Same is tens place. 1 it is and this is small. So write here 115 here, because this is the bigger number. Crocodile face is, mouth is open to a bigger number. Next, small number 107. Same here. Comparing the number line, you compare 177 is bigger or 115 is bigger. 107 is smaller. Okay, smaller size, small. Bigger 115. Is it clear? Understood? So tomorrow we will solve our next worksheet. Till that, complete the worksheet and have a nice day. Okay, these two remaining you complete it as a homework.